Taking action with an online marketing strategy. This will be super brief. We have an entire course about taking action with an online marketing strategy.
Yeah.
So these include SEO, ads, social media, not just running ads on social media, but you actually using your social media. You need to make posts on it so that if someone sees you, you don't have one post from 7 years ago that's like, hello, internet. Like, you need to actually use those channels to engage with your customers, your potential customers.
Yeah, so I'm just writing some things down. Basically what it all comes down to, guys, is there's two types of traffic online. There's free traffic and there's paid traffic. So the free stuff is like SEO, but that takes time to build up and it's complicated. But there's other free stuff. There's Facebook groups, there's your social media pages. That's all free, right? But you also want to combine in, well, like another free example is your Google My Business page, your Google Maps, right? It's free, but a lot of people don't do it right. And this is low-hanging fruit. This is super easy to do. The things like we teach you in our course, guys, I'll just tell you a few of them right now. Put your images on there. Put lots of images, before and afters of your cleans. Get lots of reviews on your Google My Business listing. Get posting on there every week. Add content to it. Google loves content. You would be surprised how many local businesses don't do this. But right now we get thousands of people a month that come to our website and book cleaning because of our Google Maps is at the top and it has the most reviews and it has the most content. It's really simple stuff, guys. That's free, but people don't do it, okay? Now when you turn on ads on Google, like Google PPC, Google Pay-Per-Click, and Google Guaranteed, and there's lots of ads you can run. There's Nextdoor ads, there's Instagram ads, there's tons of ads you can run. But in this regard, you're paying for the traffic, so it's instant. It's coming in instantly. You have instant gratification. The free ones take longer. It takes longer to build up your Google My Business. It takes longer to rank your website in the organic rankings. But when you do this, these are the most powerful because these are the most trusted. People go to them when they trust them. These other ones, people know they're ads sometimes, but they're still gonna work.
Brandon is very passionate about this. This is what he majored in college. Again, we have a whole course on just this.
Yes, I'm going out of my lane here, but this is all covered in the course.
We just want to
share with you guys a little bit of the sprinkles here.